So okay, ready? Okay, yeah. In my first year,
Okay.
Hi guys, I'm so. Hi guys. Sorry. I'm screaming that time. I'm so sorry.
Hi, I'm Sara.
And I'm Elly.
And we're
Sarelly!
So we decided to make our Fridays. Well, this is our first video ever. So our Fridays into
Dollar Score or Dollar Snore.
And we got this idea from Graveyard Girl. So we'll leave that link down below.
Yeah, so we tested out the air curler. Paid for by moi. At the Dollar Tree.
The air curler.
That's Janet on the background.
So we're gonna try out this
thing.
Yeah.
That we got at the dollar store.
Basically.
Dollar Tree. Yeah.
So comment, subscribe,
plus tax.
And like.
Yeah.
Let us know what you want us to try. If you saw anything at your dollar store that was pretty darn
cool,
fantastic looking, and only $1.
And something you wouldn't want to try on yourself.
Yeah.
But you want us to do.
But actually it has to be from a real dollar store, not a dollar, like a 99-cent store.
Not
but
like
then
no
you pay
Happy
like $5.
Dollar.
Not like dollar.
Mr.
Everything $1.
No, not no $1.59.
We also have separate channels. We will link that down below.
Oh yeah.
And we also are gonna have an Instagram together.
Yeah!
Link down below. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Or not. You don't have to enjoy it.
But like it anyways.
Yeah.
Leave a comment.
Do it. We are testing out the air curler as seen on TV.
We bought this at the dollar store. So let's see if it's worth it.
The dollar store.
The dollar store.
Dollar Tree is life.
So, this is what it looks like. Step 1. Start with a clean head of hair.
Sorta clean.
Make sure your roots are dry and your hair is damp.
Sorta damp.
Okay, part your hair into equal parts. I did that. Oh, turn your hair dry on medium heat setting with high wind speed. Do not use high heat. Are you ready for this? Okay, you have to stick your hair in here.
Okay.
Stick your hair in the bowl. Stick your hair in the bowl.
My hair is in the ball. Can you see the hair in the ball?
Okay. And...
Oh, Lord, it's spinning in there!
5. Oh, wait! I forgot to say how long.
Oh,
wait, you gotta do it for 10 to 15 seconds.
Okay, ready? 1,
That's another
2, Mississippi 3,
and then I gotta put it on cool air.
Mississippi 5, Mississippi 6, Mississippi 7, Mississippi 8, Mississippi 9, Mississippi 10, Mississippi 11, Mississippi 12, Mississippi 13, Mississippi 14, Mississippi.
You're not done.
15, Mississippi!
Now on cold air for 10 to 15 seconds.
1, Mississippi 2, Mississippi 3,
It's already been
Mississippi
like,
4.
we're almost done.
Oh.
And let's see if she has
curled hair. Ready? Did it work? It sort of worked.
It's sort of, I kind of like it.
I can't see. I don't have my glasses.
Maybe I should have bought myself one.
Oh, Lord, I got my dollar store worth. Oh, we should try it again. Try it again. Okay. I don't know if I would go out in public like this, though.
Well, you didn't get your ends in there.
Yeah, no, my ends didn't. I would like to try this again. Hey, it kind of worked, though. It's like, I would wear this to go to the beach or something. But it's like, I don't know how I feel about it.
Okay, you're going to hold this right here. And we're going to see if this curls.
Does it burn?
No. Okay, ready?
1.
We're gonna. I want you to count to 15.
Mississippi's.
Okay? Now. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Now count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Aww. There's no curl. It just kind of, like, it curled her hair in. Like, it's not completely straight, but there are definitely no curls. Like, it just kind of curled her ends. I don't know if you can even see that. It curled her ends in. And that's about it. Her name is Janet.
Her name is Janet, and this is Louise.
Like, this gets really hot. Like, it gets warm. It's still hot.
Really?
Yeah, like it's warm.
Oh.
So like if you're trying to do your whole head, this thing might melt on you.
Nah.
Do you think?
I don't know, man. I mean, it's for $1 though.
You can get up.
Please. Thank you.
You can let go of your hair now.
Does it work?
Kinda.
I mean, we should.
You got a curl.
Sort of, but the ends.
Well, your hair's really long.
It doesn't look like Luisa's over here.
Oh, you named her Luisa?
Yeah, this is Luisa.
Oh, dear Lord.
See, like, Luisa's got this perfect type of hair. And I know.
It said freshly clean. So that means like out the shower.
Oh.
So maybe we should have done it the way it said.
Probably. It's pretty cool, though. This is
Yeah.
pretty fun to try. You can find this at your local Dollar Tree for only $1.
But you
And if
must
you have-
act fast because they pretty much switch everything out and never restock, so.
You must pay shipping and handling. Yeah.
Thumbs up for Dollar Score. Check
Okay.
us next week for another
Dollar Score or Dollar Snore.
It's not really bloopers, it's just our sad life.
You know?
Dollar Score or a Dollar Snore?
Yeah!
It's time.
I farted.
I'm so putting that in the video.
I'm like, hey guys. You wanna do that fake hey? What
No,
up?
Not really. What's cooking?
What's good?